Well, here he goes. My kid's heading out for his first time ever with his own wheels. He's not driving my car, he's driving his truck. He's heading off to cross-country practice at school. Pretty exciting thing, really. He's just getting started with the manual transmission we've been practicing, so he's starting to pick it up and get smoother. And there he goes. I guess that's the rite of passage to independence, your own wheels. That's a big day. He'll be fine, he's a good driver. He's a better driver than I was at his age. He's almost 17 now. That's really something else. I hope he has a good time. How's it going?
Good. That little hump's hard to get behind, but I'll get back there sooner or later. This is just the inside and it already looks better.
Person talking about making this happen. Donald Trump. He's the one person, even though his great economy was snapped right out from underneath him, with the demand and shutdown